Guys, today we're gonna check out this generator that we buy for Amazon. So this is what it look like. It's pretty small inverter generator. I'm getting it prepared for shipping right now, shipping it to Jamaica, so that's why it look this way. We have inverter generator here. Put oil in there already to test it out. A little bit of gas. So I got a RV port on it, as you can see. And a 110, a 120 plug, to our one outlet here. Then you got a 12 volt on it, power button here, eco mode. You set up the switch. So now I'm gonna start up to try it out. Directly buy this to charge my Blue Eddy over here. So now we're gonna test it out and see how good it works. Before you run it though, you need to take these off. Before you run it, you need to take these off. These are just to keep it balanced from moving around from these little isolation things right here. So now we're gonna start up, see it run and try it out. Alright, so this generator worked pretty good for what I wanted to do. I was trying to get it to work on the turbo, but it worked pretty good on the auto and the slow charge. But that's good enough, because like when I'm in Jamaica, I got another system like this to Blue Eddy AC 500. And I tried to charge it up from a generator without an inverter on it, and it would not work. So now I'm going to switch it out for this system, and this seemed to work pretty good with this small generator. Right now I got a little bit of solar coming in. Just doing some tests on it before I ship it to see what it does. So I do like this generator. It was fairly cheap. I pay about $290 for it, somewhere around there. This is what it looks like. Pretty small. It's pretty light too. I think it's like way under 100 pounds. I don't really remember. That's what it looks like. Looks pretty nice, and you got a 208cc motor on it. And as you can see, the inverter is on here, so that's why I make it an inverter generator. Nice little motor, nice little exhaust. It's somewhat loud, but it's not too loud like a traditional generator. So there goes the inverter up here. So a bunch of components, aluminum cooling fins on there. And this is where the oil goes, so the oil port is right here. Yeah, it's not bad. So I'm looking forward to use this. I know it's a quick test, so I'm going to do some more tests on it. Post some more video when you get where it got to go. Yep, so this is just me testing it out before I ship it. Alright, thank you. So guys, we're reviewing today a small inverter generator we buy for Amazon. It's a EDOG 10. Here goes all the specs, as you can see. That's what it is. So these are the things that it comes with. Comes with a manual and screwdriver plug tool. These screws are from here, as you can see, and funnel for changing your oil. Got a nice enough gas tank on there. I don't see the gallon for it, but it's like about 1.5 gallons to 2 gallons. The oil port is here. If you want to change your oil, I put some fresh oil in there. Didn't come with any oil, or it didn't come with any oil inside of the generator itself. I'm going to spin it around so you can see all the sights. Alright guys, so you might see it to look a little dusty. I did that on purpose. I'm going to be shipping this to Jamaica for using it there and further testing. So I'm going to make another video on it. This and then my Blue Eddy